Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Next, you'll be working with the gas lift and cover. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Then, place the cover over the gas lift. Your arms are labeled right and left. Attach the arms with a Phillips screwdriver and the included arm screws. Repeat the process to attach the second arm. Attach the backrest to the seat with M8-18 back bar screws. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.